Hey there, Nate from Post Now. Today, we're going to show you how to build a postal code targeting direct mail campaign using an existing audience that you've already built. Our online tool lets you pre-build or reuse audiences that you built for past campaigns. This is one of the fastest ways to build an effective, high-performing campaign. Postal code targeting is unique in that it lets you target hyper small clusters of homes or individual condo towers. Today, the campaign we build is going to focus on 5 high-end Vancouver condo towers that I've previously targeted for a different campaign. To get started, we're going to go up and select the campaign builder from under the Smart Mail tab. Once the campaign page loads, give your campaign a title. From there, select your direct mail type. Postal code targeting is what we're doing today. Select the induction date, which is the date that we get it to Canada Post for delivery. This is a 3 to 5 day window from the time you order. As mentioned, we're going to use one of our existing built audiences when we choose who we're sending to. A drop-down will show with various audiences that you've previously built or used in past campaigns. Simply select the one you'd like. The number of households or addresses that you can reach with that audiences will automatically fill into your campaign size. The pricing table will automatically calculate the various options based on that campaign size, and you can jump right to selecting what you're going to mail out. We're going to do a PCT letter today, and we're going to choose from our template gallery. As mentioned, we also do custom designs, and you can upload print-ready files if you want to get your campaign out even faster. Options are presented below, and we're just going to select one of these. If you wanted to filter by various goals, you can. Same thing with particular styles or campaign categories. Once you've selected your template, scroll down to the bottom, accept the terms and conditions, and generate your campaign. You'll be taken to the checkout where you can complete payment and jump right into proofing and requesting changes to the template you've selected. Now that the checkout page is loaded, you can enter in any coupon or promo codes that you have. You can add additional order notes, and you can review your billing details, which is also where we send samples of your campaign to you, so you know and can reference what you send to who. From the checkout page, you can enter coupon codes, add additional information, review your billing details, which is also where we send samples of your campaign. And then if you're ready to go, you can place your order and move to the final step. Campaign payments are pre-authorized only, and we complete payment when your campaign is ready to go from the data and design stage to the print production stage. From the final checkout confirmation page, you can jump into leaving comments for your campaign by clicking the link, which will take you into our proofing portal. For videos on our proofing portal, check out our YouTube channel. We've got lots of great tips and tricks on direct mail and using Post Now. Thanks for watching. We look forward to helping you increase your direct mail visibility with high quality ROI campaigns.